Hi, this is Dilus Jane Encarnado, your Amazon product researcher. Today, I'll be presenting how I conduct product research for Amazon FBA sellers. But before we begin, let's briefly discuss why product research is so important. Product research is the foundation of a successful and profitable Amazon business. It determines whether a product idea will succeed or fail. By doing effective product research, we can avoid entering saturated markets and stay away from products with high competition and low profitability. Here's a quick overview of our product research roadmap. First, we have the product criteria, the research method, keyword research, product restrictions, cost of product, profit calculation, product reviews, and improvement. So let's start with the product criteria. But keep in mind that sailors may have different preferences. But here are the criteria I use. The product price should be $25 above because this range is considered the most profitable baseline. And at least we will have 300 unit sales per month. That indicates good market demand. And the minimum monthly revenue should be $7,000. And also, we must have below 500 reviews, meaning to say the competition isn't too high. And our target profit margin is 40% or higher. Or the product that we use or we choose has the profit margin of 40% and above. The item weight of the product should be below 3 pounds for lower shipping cost. And our keyword search volume at least 2,000, showing enough traffic and buyer interest. And also, the product must not be under any patent, trademark, or restricted hazmat gated category. It should be PPC eligible, non breakable, and non electronic to reduce return rates and maximize profit. And lastly, it should have consistent market trends and no excessive variations. Next up, we have the product research method. There are two main ways to do this. The first one is automated, and the second one is the manual method. In automated method, I use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout that help us identify potential winning products quickly using data analysis and filters. The second one, here we focus on the second is manual method, and here we focus on understanding our target market. We also explore platforms such as Amazon, AliExpress, Etsy, YouTube, Pinterest, Alibaba, and Google to find product ideas that meet our criteria and fit the customer needs. Now let's move on to the main keyword research. In this step, we identify at least three main keywords relevant to our chosen product, and each keyword should have a minimum of 2,000 searches. This helps us confirm that there's a strong customer interest. And remember, high search volume often means high competition, while low search volume means lower visibility. So balance is the key. Again, in product restriction, we need to double check that our product doesn't belong to any restricted categories such as hazmat, gated products, or those with patents or trademarks. So once we confirm, we can move forward confidently without stressing ourselves. The next step is the cost of product. So here we go to supplier websites like Alibaba. We need to search using our main keyword and compare at least 3 to 5 suppliers for the pricing. This gives us the average production cost, allowing us to estimate whether the product can yield good profit margins. Then comes the profit calculation. So using the Amazon profit calculator, we will input the selling price, the product cost, and the shipping fee. And after calculating, we can now clearly see the net profit. It helps us confirm the product is truly worth selling. Finally, we will move to the product reviews and improvement. So we need to study the customer feedback from the existing competitors to identify their pinpoints and common complaints. So this allows us to improve our product and services, giving us a competitive advantage in the market. And that's it. Congratulations. We've successfully completed our product research and identified our next potential winning product. Thank you for being here.